Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My channel name is Academic and Aggrovate Books. In the last video you have seen the project on polynomials subject maths. In this video you have seen subject science project on natural resources. Thank you for support your guys. In the last video in just 30 minutes I have got a 110 views. Thank you for all your support. Now in this video how to make project on natural resources. Let's start the video. First we have to open the folder. Now first we have to write the name, class, subject, project on which topic we have to write this. In the next page, we have to write the acknowledgement, how to express the feelings in about this project. I would like to express special thanks of my school to my science teacher Mrs. Risha Srivastav for their able guidance and support me completing this project. In the next page we have to write index. First we have left hand side we have to write the serial number and then topic and then page number. Serial number 1 to 7 and how many topics we have to write. Topic first is title page, acknowledgement, index, introduction, content, project, conclusion, bibliography. And then you have to write the page number. And then we have to write the introduction for this project. The natural components of the environment like air, wind, soil, plants and animals are called natural resources. The natural resources that can be replied through natural formation even after their utilization are called renewable resources. This is the full brief description for this introduction. In the next page we have to write the content. In this project I have written the 10 contents. First I have written what are these resources on the earth. Second, the breath of life, the role of the atmosphere in climate control, the movement of air, rain, air pollution, water, water pollution, water cycle, ozone layer. Now right hand side page we have to write a brief description for about content which we have written in the previous page. First we have written for this what are these resources on the earth. First we have the brief description about this and then we have to paste pictures. These pictures are some natural resources. In the next topic we have to write the breath of air, life. In the next page we have to write the topic, the role of the atmosphere in climate control. Next topic is the movement of air and topic is winds. This is the picture is related to the movement of air, winds. In the next page we have to write about rain. What is rain? In the next topic we have to write air pollution. These are the pictures we have to paste in the next left hand side page. These are the rain pictures and these are the air pollution picture. This is the most important topic in this chapter, water, a wonder liquid. We have to description in about 100 words because this is the most important topic in this picture. And this is a picture. This is about full water pollution. In this topic we have to write what is water pollution, what is water cycle, what is ozone layer. We have to see the pictures in the left hand side page. This is the water cycle format. In the right hand side we have to see the full description about water cycle. In the front of this we have to also write the ozone layer. In the next page we have to complete the ozone layer topic. The next topic is types of natural resources. They are divided into two types of natural resources, exhaustible resources and inexhaustible resources. This is the picture about exhaustible resources. This is related to the picture about non-exhaustible resources, solar energy and sun. The third topic is now global warming or greenhouse effect. This is the acid rain picture. In the left hand side page we have to write about the acid rain. What is acid rain? In the below niche we have to write about soil erosion. What is soil erosion? Soil erosion is the only effect which is a natural process is caused by the dynamic activity of erosive agents, that is water, ice, snow, air, plants and animals or humans. This is a shelter belts and terrace farming. This is about pictures of soil erosion. And we have to write the last page effects of soil erosion and prevention of soil erosion. We have to minimum write about in half to one page also. In the now we have to see about conclusion. What is conclusion we have to written? This is conclusion. A natural resource is anything that people can use which comes from nature. People do not make natural resources but gather them from the earth. Examples of natural resources are air, water, wood, oil, wind energy, hydroelectric energy, and coal. There are two sorts of resources, exhaustible and inexhaustible resources. Conclusion of resources and its type of conservation of resources. In the last page, we have to write the bibliography. I have explained what is bibliography. Bibliography is those the meaning is which is have to write written to write on bibliography and full project which have to we have to write very more attractive words. I have written the alive, impurities, prominent, fairly, component, depositing, respiratory, depositing, and imbalance. These are the more attractive words in the full project. This is the full meaning of these words. The next page we have also had the undesirable, considerable, unsuitable, condenses, reservoir, store based use, propulsion, surface, infiltrates, dynamic, impacts, disruption, and vulnerable. These have the words and these have the meanings. What is the word means? And then now the project has been finished. We have to close the project. Then now we have to close. I hope guys you have to like this video. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos. Take care guys.